Please remain seated until the ride has come to a complete stop. Once it has, you may unfasten the seatbelt, push up on your shoulder restraint, and walk to the exit. Thank you for riding the Hershey Triple Tower, and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Hersheypark.
Hi everyone! Thanks for riding this drop tower with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, share, and also subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!